Good evening. We begin tonight's broadcast in Pakistan, where crucial by-elections have just concluded across 6 National Assembly and 7 Punjab Assembly constituencies. Early results point to a sweeping victory for the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, reshaping the political landscape in Punjab. Polling ended Sunday evening, with vote counting now underway. Preliminary tallies suggest the PMLN is heading for a landslide win in the by-elections, which were held in 13 constituencies vacated after the disqualification of lawmakers linked to last year's May 9th unrest. In Lahore's NA 129 constituency, unofficial results show PMLN candidate Hafiz Noman securing victory with over 63,000 votes, defeating his closest rival, a PTI-backed independent, by more than 34,000 votes. Turnout across 334 polling stations stood at just under 19%. Meanwhile, in Sahiwal's NA 143 seat, PMLN's Chaudhry Mohammad Tufail Jatt won decisively, claiming more than 136,000 votes. His nearest competitor, independent candidate Zarar Akbar, trailed far behind with just over 13,000 votes. Officials reported voter turnout at around 24%, reflecting limited public participation. The Election Commission of Pakistan confirmed polling ran uninterrupted from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. under tight security. More than 20,000 police personnel were deployed across Punjab, with 2,792 polling stations monitored, including hundreds designated as sensitive or highly sensitive. CCTV surveillance was in place to ensure transparency. The federal government also sanctioned the deployment of Pakistan Army troops as a reserve force, stationed in constituencies from November 22nd to 24th. These by-elections are seen as a test of strength among Pakistan's major parties, the PMLN, the PTI, and the PPP, as they jockey for influence in Punjab. Analysts note that Lahore's NA 129, in particular, is a key battleground shaping the city's political direction. Most of the seats fell vacant after PTI lawmakers were disqualified over their alleged role in violent protests following the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan. The Election Commission has barred media outlets from airing unofficial results until 1 hour after polls closed, stressing that only returning officers may declare official outcomes. Any premature reporting, it warned, could mislead the public. With counting still underway in several constituencies, Pakistan awaits the final verdict from the Election Commission. But tonight, the momentum appears firmly with the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz.